received a call from the Greenfield Police Department. They have a small kitten stuck in a storm drain on the corner of South and 7th Street. So Agent Mirando and I are heading there now to see if we can help out. We have some additional equipment that might help. Good. Is this it? Or there?
Yeah,
oh, it's over here.
Somewhere right here.
Alright, how are you?
Yeah, it's about 30 feet that way.
Head in that direction?
Yeah.
Okay. Open this one up. We might be going back there. So we're going to go on and get at least, we'll get this and so we want to open this one up. We might be going back there. So we're going to go on and get did it go back that way? I'm just gonna put that down in there. Do we got some canned food in there?
Do you have any on your radio?
Here's some food.
It's coming out over there.
Sure it is. Yeah, it's got to run to that one. What do you need? Robbie, give me your light. You can get on stage.
I hear it spitting.
Hey, tell about 2 feet.
Okay. A little bit more. Well, that's all right. We can go on and take him up there. Okay. If he's been down there for a few days, we'll check him for dehydration.
I was told it was 2 or 3 days, so I was just told about it today.
That's okay. We'll get him taken care of.
Okay. I'll call and check maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You hold this net for me? I'll reach down there and get him. I had the same thing happen in Washington Courthouse at midnight.
Cat in the drain?
Yeah. Just a small kitten.
Thank you.
What are you gonna name him, Shanks?
It's gotta be like.
We don't want to call him name, we're going to name it.
I don't know. It's gotta be something with the sewer system or something. Stewie or Stewie?
7. 7.
South.
There you go. All right.
Okay.
So, thank you.
We really appreciate you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you guys went way above and beyond.
I ate for 3 days, so it's cool.
All right.
Big deal.
Well, see you later.
I
Really
appreciate
nice
it.
to meet you.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
no, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
It must be an accident.
Okay, the rescue was successful with big thank you to the Greenfield Police Department and the Paint Creek Fire Department and EMS. So we got the kitten out and we are now taking it to our clinic in downtown Washington Courthouse at the Humane Society, where we'll go on and have him examined and assessed by our medical staff to make sure that he's okay. Apparently he had been in there for a few days, so we want to make sure that there's no medical problems. So that's a great success, and a big thank you to everyone involved.
Was found in a drain last night, and I'm just going to take a look at him and be sure he's okay. He looks pretty well nourished. His color is good, and he's pretty well hydrated now. He was eating and drinking overnight. He's a little bit nervous, but really he looks to be in pretty good shape. Let me listen to your heart, little guy. Hi, hi. There you go. Let me listen. There's a good boy. Heart's going pretty fast, but it sounds good. And of course, he's got fleas. Everybody has fleas if they're not treated. His ears are nice and clean though, and he looks good. I think he's going to do just fine.